Welcome back to Fit Journey, your source for easy and effective fitness routines. I'm Nahid, and today, we're going to tackle a 10-minute full body workout perfect for beginners. This quick and simple routine requires no equipment, just a little bit of space and your willingness to get moving. Let's get started. First, let's warm up to prepare our muscles and joints for the workout. Follow along with these simple movements.
I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.
Start with jumping jacks to get your blood flowing. This exercise is a great way to increase your heart rate and loosen up your body.
I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Next, move into arm circles. Start small and gradually make them bigger. This helps to warm up your shoulders and arms.
Fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast.
Finish our warm-up with leg swings. These will help loosen your hips and prepare your legs for the workout ahead.
I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time.
Great job on the warm-up. Now, we'll dive into our 10-minute full body workout. We'll be doing 6 different exercises, each for 1 minute, with a short transition between them. Remember, it's all about staying active, so keep moving even if you need to modify the exercises. Let's get to it. We're starting with body weight squats. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, lower yourself as if sitting back into a chair, then push back up. Make sure your back is straight and your knees don't go past your toes. Next, we have push-ups. You can do these on your knees or your toes. Lower your chest towards the floor, then push back up. Focus on keeping your core tight and your movements controlled.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly.
Now, let's hit some mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and drive your knees toward your chest, alternating quickly. This is a great way to boost your heart rate and engage your core.
When grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make.
Next up, lunges. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at 90 degrees, then push back to the starting position. Alternate legs with each representative to work both sides equally. Let's hold a plank position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and holding strong. Planks are great for building overall stability.
Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Invested.
Finish strong with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and alternate bringing your elbows to opposite knees. This move targets your abs and obliques for a strong core.
If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing.
Awesome work. You've just completed a full body workout in just 10 minutes. Now, let's cool down and stretch to help our muscles recover. Start with a standing forward bend. Let your arms hang down and relax your neck. This stretch will help release tension in your hamstrings and lower back. Next, stretch your quads. Grab your ankle and gently pull it towards your glutes. keeping your knees close together. Switch legs after 30 seconds.
In your brain nightly, if you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me.
Finally, stretch your shoulders. Pull one arm across your body, keeping your shoulder relaxed. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch arms. Great job today. I hope you enjoyed this quick and effective workout. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Fit Journey for more beginner-friendly routines and wellness tips. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling after this session, and remember, fitness is a journey. Enjoy every step of it. See you in the next video.